Exterior painting is more than just a way to improve your home's curb appeal, it's a crucial protective layer that shields your property from the elements. However, achieving a long-lasting paint job requires more than just slapping on a coat of paint. Whether you're a seasoned DIY or considering hiring a professional, understanding the secrets to a durable exterior paint application can save you time, money, and frustration. Understanding the basics of exterior painting. What is exterior painting? Exterior painting involves applying protective and decorative paint coatings to the outside surfaces of buildings. This not only enhances aesthetic appeal but also acts as a barrier against weather-related damage. Difference between interior and exterior painting. While both involve applying paint to surfaces, exterior painting must withstand harsher conditions such as UV rays, rain, wind, and temperature fluctuations. Therefore, the materials and techniques used differ significantly.